Oh, solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay. Right, so pause here. So just gonna mix it up. Won't take too long. Okay, fully mixed up. So we're gonna do this first. Let me do that. Let me do that. Then that. So we've got the top cross. Get the corners in. Put the other corner in. There we go. So, oh, I've just done it completely wrong. There we go. So there's all that side done. So now I've got to get the middle pieces in. So we do this. Then we do this. So now I've got the middle layer done. So now I just need to get the cross on the top. So that's just I've got a cross on the top now. There we go, now we've got the mall on the top. And then we've got we've got all the corners the right way now. Then we do this. So now we've got one side solved. And then we do this. There we go, solved. Thank you very much, Ipsies. That was me solving a Rubik's Cube.